The law of attraction is a powerful universal law that states that we attract into our lives whatever we focus on and give energy to. This means that if we focus on travel and adventure, we can attract more of it into our lives. So, how can you use the law of attraction to manifest travel and adventure? It all starts with your thoughts and mindset. You need to believe that travel and adventure are possible for you and that you deserve to experience them. This mindset shift is crucial because it sets the foundation for everything else. Once you have shifted your mindset, you can start using visualization and affirmations to manifest travel and adventure. Visualization involves imagining yourself already experiencing the travel and adventure you desire. Close your eyes and picture yourself in your dream destination, doing the things you love, and feeling happy and fulfilled. The more you can feel and believe that this is already your reality, the more likely you are to attract it into your life. Affirmations are also a powerful tool for manifesting travel and adventure. These are positive statements that you repeat to yourself to reprogram your subconscious mind. For example, you can say, "I am attracting exciting travel and adventure into my life," or, "I am worthy of experiencing new and exciting places." Repeat these affirmations daily and believe that they are already true. Another way to manifest travel and adventure is by practicing gratitude. When you focus on what you are grateful for, you attract more positive experiences into your life. Take some time each day to write down what you are grateful for in regards to travel and adventure. Maybe it's a past trip you took, the opportunity to plan a future trip, or simply the ability to dream and imagine new destinations. Finally, take action towards your travel and adventure goals. This means researching destinations, saving money, and making plans. The law of attraction works best when you combine it with action. By taking steps towards your goals, you are showing the universe that you are serious about manifesting travel and adventure into your life. In conclusion, the law of attraction can help you manifest travel and adventure into your life. By shifting your mindset, using visualization and affirmations, practicing gratitude, and taking action towards your goals, you can attract exciting new experiences into your life. So, start dreaming big, believing in yourself, and taking action towards your travel and adventure goals. The world is waiting for you.